One of the arguments made by proponents of this law is that it's supposed to be laxer now than other laws in other parts of the region and other parts of the world. One example that's been cited is the case of Malaysia. Malaysia has the Prevention of Terrorist Acts, or POTA, so, which allows for 60 days of detention before you are brought before a judge. And that can even be extended by the POTB, the Prevention of Terrorism Bureau or Board, which can extend it to 2 years. So that, among other things, has been used as an argument to say na bakit, what's wrong with 24 days?
Well, which is a wrong argument, Ed, and for everyone. Because number one, they're quoting out of context. No? Okay lang naman yung extended detention. Basta ang magdidetermine whether or not there is allowable detention is a neutral branch of government, like the judiciary, not the executive branch. Kasi sila yung implementer, sila yung nag-aaresta. So walang checks and balances. Secondly, anyone who makes that argument fails to appreciate the historical differences, the democratic principles and the democratic traditions of the different countries. Siyempre, kung ang titignan mo, yung mga bansa na sanay dun sa mga autocratic at yung mahigpit na pamahalaan at binibigyan ng so much leeway ang gobyerno, parang malabnaw yung sa ating sa Pilipinas. The other one also is, tignan natin ang history ng mga ito. Ang experience sa gobyerno, walang masyadong abuso eh. Sa atin kasi, sangkatutak yung abuso. Nanggaling na tayo sa martial law, nanggaling tayo sa mga kalokohan ng mga law enforcers. Hindi naman sa lahat, pero too much, no? Yung nakikita natin. So, siyempre, nangangamba tayo. Kasi kung matino naman ang gobyerno, di ang ating history matino, walang abuso sa gobyerno, walang abuso sa law enforcers, tiwala tayo. We don't have to worry about these things. Unfortunately, we have had sad experiences with government and the law enforcers. Kaya naman, doble ang ating vigilance. At we raise constitutional issues as soon as possible para sa ganun sana, mabawas-bawasan ang mga incidents and opportunities for abuse.
We of course cannot pass up noting the irony that tomorrow, December 10, is Human Rights Day. What does this decision signal to the Philippines with regards to the state of human rights in our country?
Well, it's very unfortunate. And if you note, no, of course, they were not petitioners, but many international organizations, including agencies of the United Nations, decried this law as violative of basic rights of the citizens. So hindi lang ho kami, yung iba pa. Okay? Pangalawa, of course, many, not only us, but abroad, view it with concern. You know, it can be, we're not saying it will be, but it can be prone to abuse, not only by the national leadership, but any, local executive, any law enforcer. That's the worry that we have. It's nothing political, nothing personal, but the possibility that it will be and it can be misused.